Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, my dear students? So, my dear students, take out your maths countdown book and open page number 10. On page number 10, write down date and day. Our topic is hundreds, tens and ones. Write in hundreds, tens and ones, then draw beads on the abacus. So my dear students, we have to find the place values of these digits, then draw beads in the abacus. This is 113, 113. What is the place value of 3? The place value of 3 is ones. The place value of 1 is tens. And the place value of 1 is 100. So it is 100, 1 tens, 3 ones. Write these digits with their place values. So the place value of 1 is 100. 100. Place value of 1 is tens. 1 tens. Place value of 3 is ones. 3 ones. And on abacus, how many hundreds are there? Only 100. So the one bead is on hundreds place. How many tens are there? 1 10. So in 10 there is only one bead. And how many ones are there? 3 ones. So 3 beads in ones place. Part B, 841. 841. What is the place value of 1? The place value of 1 is ones. What is the place value of 4? Tens. And what is the place value of 8? Hundreds. 8 hundreds, 4 tens, 1 ones. So write with me. 8 hundreds, 4 tens, 1 ones. Now come to the abacus. How many hundreds are there? There are 8 hundreds. How many hundreds? 8 hundreds. So we have to draw 8 beads in hundreds place with blue color. Draw 8 beads in 100 place. These are 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads in 100 place. Now come to the tens place. How many tens are there? There are 4 tens. So we have to draw 4 beads in tens place with green color. Draw 4 beads in tens place. 4 beads in tens place. Now how many ones are there? There is only 1 ones. How many ones? There is only 1 one. So we have to draw only 1 bead in ones place. Now come to part D. The numbers are 620. 620. The place value of 0 is ones, place value of 2 is tens, and place value of 6 is hundreds. 6 hundreds, 2 tens, 0 ones. Write with me. 6 hundreds, 2 tens, and 0 ones. Now come to abacus. How many hundreds are there? There are 6 hundreds. So we have to draw 6 beads in hundreds place. 6 beads. Now come to tens place. How many tens are there? Only 2 tens. So draw 2 beads here. 1, 2. And how many ones are there? There is 0 ones. So we will leave ones place. So my dear students, complete page number 10. Now come to page number 11. On page number 11, question 4, what number does each abacus show? Write in the box. Abacus shows some beads. We have to count the beads and write the numbers in their place values. So how many beads in ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is in one place. How many tens are there? 1, 2. 2 is in tens place. And how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 hundreds. So we will write 5 in the hundreds place. Now it becomes 527. 527. Now in part B, how many ones are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones? 4 ones. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. Write 5 in tens place. And how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 hundreds. So write 8 in hundreds place. Now come to question number 5. Draw beads on the abacus to show these numbers. Now in this question, we have to draw the beads according to the numbers. For hundreds, we use blue color. For tens, we use green color. And for ones, we use red color. So take out these 3 colors. We will start from part A. On part A, the numbers are 1, 2, 3. The place value of 3 is ones. So we will draw 3 beads in ones place. The place value of 2 is tens. So we will draw 2 beads in tens place. And the place value of 1 is hundreds. So we will draw 1 bead in hundreds place. So take out your colors. Beads. Draw 3 beads in ones place. Now after ones place, come to tens place. How many beads in tens place? 2. Draw 2 beads. And how many hundreds are there? There is only 100. So we have to draw only 1 bead in hundreds place. Now come to part F. The numbers are 407. So the place value of 7 is ones. So we have to draw 7 beads in ones place. And the place value of 0 is tens. So we will leave tens place. And how many hundreds are there? There are 400. So we will draw 4 beads in hundreds place. 7 beads in ones place, 0 bead in tens place, and 4 beads in hundred place. Now my dear students, complete page number 10 and page number 11. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.